What's up, guys? It's your boy, the Undisciplined Trader here, and we are back with day 2 of the verification. I've got a really bad headache today. The afternoon, for some reason, I got a really bad headache, and a bit of a sore throat. I hope it's not COVID. But yeah, let me tell you guys the trades I have taken. Woke up, yeah, well, 4 a.m., middle of the night, standard procedure. Sometimes. You guys already know why. But yeah, I woke up, couldn't go back to sleep, and I was like, you know what, man, let me check the charts. So I was on my laptop. I saw this. I saw that price broke this monthly line here, and price was around about here this time. So I was like, okay, I can enter a little bit late, and fuck it, you know. So I entered it, boom, and this trade took forever, man. Like I entered this like for 3 a.m. I believe, 4 a.m. Sorry, 4 a.m., 5 a.m. I'm not sure. And yeah, got taken out risk free over here, and then price took off. I saw that there was a potential flag, so I thought this might happen, but I wanted to be safe and just go risk free basically. So that was the first trade, 0%, and the second trade was this one, EuroCAD. So the reason I took this trade is because price is on a downtrend, and I know price is going to come to this red line and then to the 50% of the weekly, which is down here somewhere, or probably lower, because price has been above this the whole week, and once it breaks this, at some point it needs to come down, and once it starts coming down, it's going to go all the way to the 50. So measured my channels. Price broke here. I entered a tad bit late, so it was around about there or something. And we hit TP, so we made 1% back. So we were down 2% yesterday, so then from this one we were down 1%, 1.2. Sorry guys, I think I'm a bit sick or something, man. Like I'm trying to talk and my voice a bit dead. And then I saw this trade as well. I should have actually entered here, but by the time I saw it, price was already there. So entered here, TP up there, you guys can see, and stop loss down here. The reason I took this trade, well, the red lines you guys can't see is a bit higher up. So just like on the opposite to the EuroCAD, AJ has been below the red line. So I've been looking for reversals, as you guys saw yesterday. I think it was, not sure. We were looking for reversals since. I saw this at night as well, but it was already down here. I was gonna enter it, but I was like, nah, it's too risky. But yeah, as you guys can see, there's a reversal here, but it's not very clean either. So I'm quite surprised they actually worked out and price just didn't go up. But sorry. Yeah, I knew I have a very good bias. The price would go up, so I was looking for longs here. I was never gonna look for shorts because I can't say it couldn't have gone lower, but it just didn't seem that viable. Price already went quite low, so I went down to up to being on minus 0.2%, and then I saw this odd CAD flag that that you guys just saw that was forming, and it's a really good trade, man. Like, you know, the flag is nice, and I entered it, you know, right there. I waited for this trade, man. This is after probably why I got a headache because I waited for this trade from here to here. So that's 50. I was literally waiting, like, because I needed price to close near the line. So I waited, man, 15, 30, 45, an hour, man. I waited an hour. So only to then lose the trade within fucking 15 minutes. Oh, that was uh, I know why I lost the trade, but by the time I saw it, was too late. Um, so this is a key level. This is a very high probability for me. You know, price broke the blue line. Once price breaks the blue line, God knows where it's gonna go. How far down it's gonna go, we don't know. But looking at the weekly here, yeah, we'll be able to see. I'll draw a line for you guys. So as you can see, I measured the weekly of the previous, but as you can see, price is on a strong downtrend on this weekly, right? Price on a strong downtrend. Look at this. Had a pullback, went down, had a pullback, went down. Now, if I draw support here on this candle, this green candle, yeah, and I go back to the 15. I don't test this because I don't obviously look for those candles, but as you can see, I saw this and I was like, shit, price broke on the 15-minute underneath this line. So I was like, fuck, man, this is not good. This really, really is not good. So this is for mainly for the other strategy. I would have placed a short here. It's hard for me to tell you how many pips, but I would have placed a short there. So one strategy against the other is never good, unless usually the flags take over. But because this was such a strong support and I saw that price broke it, I was like, shit, this could be bad. But the reason I let it go is because, yeah, a lot of the times on AudCAD and EuroCAD, price will break when it's doing a reversal. It will actually break a little bit and then it'll pull back. So that's why I left it, guys. But I would have taken this trade any day, you know. Stuck to the plan. Entry was very nice. Just didn't go away this time, you know. Sorry, guys, I sound dead every time I'm doing these things. I think I'm actually sick. Which I rarely get sick, like almost ever. So, but yeah, what can I say? Yeah, that was my trades for today. So I'm minus 1.3%. It's been a slow start, man. It's been a slow start. It's been quite an unpredictable week, to be honest. Price broke my lines and just kept going, as you guys can see on all the pairs. Like, price broke these lines and just kept going. And in these sort of spaces, you know, it's hard for me to read where price is, especially because the last week's candles were quite small. So all I know is that once it breaks the red, it'll go down. And then eventually, as you can see, my lines are pretty damn good. Look, see, that's why I was looking for price to come back. And yeah, like I know that once there's the reverse on the other strategy, that price will go to this level here. As you can see, I had this arrow since yesterday. Since yesterday, I drew this arrow. As you can see, I drew that for EJ as well. I drew that for MJ. So as you can see, my bias was accurate. Should have taken more advantage of that, to be honest. I could have taken a few more trades with the other strategy, that's for sure. I could have gone short after it broke here. I could have gone short again after it broke here. I could have gone probably another long on one of these once AJ was risk-free. And yeah, that would have given me an extra 1 to 2%. But it's okay. I'm just taking my time, taking it slow, you know. Taking it slow. No need to rush. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I don't know what else to say. Sorry if I sound a bit dead and not motivated. I know when I made this video, I should be more lively and everything, but I'm a bit sick today. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 3, and hopefully I'll be a lot more lively. Right, also today overall we were up what 1%. Yesterday was -2. Today we lost 1 and 1, 2, 1 and drew 1. So yeah. Alright guys, take care and I'll see you guys. If I can see you guys tomorrow.